Choosing the right life insurance policy for your family is a crucial decision. Here are some key factors to consider. First, think about your family's financial needs both now and in the future. Consider factors like mortgage payments, outstanding debts, and living expenses. Next, assess your family's long-term goals, such as education expenses or retirement plans. It's important to evaluate the length of coverage you need, whether it's a specific term or lifelong protection. Additionally, consider your budget and affordability. Balancing the coverage amount and premium is essential. Lastly, research reputable insurance providers and compare their policies, customer reviews, and financial stability. At Martin Insurance Online, we can guide you through this process, offering personalized assistance and instant quotes. Secure your family's future by choosing the right life insurance policy. Visit our website or contact us today to get started.